Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play arcade mode in Street Fighter 6. To begin your journey, simply navigate to the main menu. From there, you will find the clear option to select arcade mode. This classic feature provides a fantastic way to experience the game's narrative through a series of engaging fights. It is a perfect starting point for both new and returning players to dive into the action and explore character backstories. Once you have entered arcade mode, your next step is to pick your champion. Street Fighter 6 boasts a wide array of unique characters, each with distinct fighting styles. After selecting your fighter, you will then choose a difficulty level. Options range from Rookie, perfect for beginners, all the way up to Legend, offering a formidable challenge for seasoned veterans. There are 8 distinct difficulty settings to ensure a tailored experience for everyone. With your character and difficulty chosen, you are ready to engage in battle. Arcade mode presents a linear progression of fights against the game's artificial intelligence. Each victory brings you closer to your character's unique ending, unfolding a personalized narrative. You will face approximately 5 to 7 opponents, depending on the chosen path, culminating in a final boss encounter. Enjoy the unfolding story as you conquer each challenger. Completing arcade mode offers more than just bragging rights. You will earn valuable in-game rewards, such as fighter coins, which can be used for various customizations. Additionally, your chosen character gains experience, helping them level up. The true replay value comes from experiencing each character's unique story. With over 20 distinct fighters, there are many hours of engaging content to explore, making every playthrough fresh and exciting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.